Hey, Bill.
Hey, Craig.
Thanks for a great job on the car. Car came out fantastic. Whole process was very good. Including you going through the whole sequence of events step by step at drop off, and then making sure the work was done properly. And like I said, car came out beautiful. So super happy and excited to get out and start driving.
Thanks, Craig. Can you tell us a little bit about the car and the story of why you got it, what you're looking for?
Yeah, so got the car about 2 months ago, and knew I was probably going to get something to protect, particularly the front of the car.
Right.
And actually, second trip on the highway, I did get a rock shed. You can actually see it right here. It's not huge, but I noticed it as soon as I came back. So second drive on the highway, on the second time. And right then I was like, I gotta make sure I get a full PFF done on the front.
Yeah.
And did some research, looked at who was available in the Lehigh Valley.
Excellent.
Checked reviews, and Bill's and Immaculate Paint kind of rose to the top, and so I'm glad I did that, and I think I chose the right person to put the film on the car.
Thank you.
Everything came out great. Super glossy, good clarity, but also the 10-year warranty.
Correct.
So I know that if anything happens, like if it yellows or anything, I think we'll be in good shape.
So one of the things we deal with clients like yourself that buy these high performance collector cars, the car is obviously a lot of money. How did you feel when you dropped the car off? How do you feel about leaving the car here? How do you feel about leaving the car with Immaculate Paint Protection?
Super comfortable. So you've got a nice facility where you can lock the car indoors, so your car's inside the whole time. And like I said, the whole check-in process where you went through kind of the whole steps and sequences.
Right.
was fine. So felt really comfortable. Knew the car was going to be in a secure, locked location. And like I said, I'd done the research before we got here, so I felt comfortable that you were going to do a good job as well.
And as far as client service and follow through, how was your expectations met?
Excellent, excellent. So got my wife over there going. No, excellent. Like I said, the job came out fantastic. Reviewed everything with me at pickup here, and satisfied customer. So.
Great, thank you. Thanks, Craig. Appreciate the business.
No problem.